Hi friends, my name is Sachi, and today we are going to do a colorful demonstration. In the process, we are also going to learn about this thing called diffusion. Ready? To set up our station, of course we need our Skittles. We will need 5 cups or bowls to help us separate out each color. We also need a paper plate and a cup of warm water. I microwaved about half a cup of water for about 45 seconds. Let's separate out each color now. This will make our next step easier to be creative. If you'd like, you can pause the video to see what colors we have so far. Now we get to decide how to organize our colors. Around the edge of our plate, place the colors in whatever order you would like with your favorite Skittles. I recommend arranging the colors so that you don't have 2 of the same color next to each other, but it's your demonstration, so be creative. It'll look beautiful. Once all of your Skittles are arranged, ask a nurse or a family member to help you pour the water so that the base of your Skittles are just submerged. You can see pretty quickly that the colors will start to run towards the center. That's called diffusion. Skittles are full of sugar, including the color coating on the outside. Since there's no sugar in the center of the plate, but only water, the sugar molecules will slowly creep towards the center so that the sugar is more evenly distributed throughout the plate. Pretty cool, right? That's diffusion, where particles like our sugar move from a high to low concentration. Thanks for giving me company and doing this colorful and scientific demonstration with me. Until next time!